The King of Pentacles sits upon a throne carved with bulls, vines, and fruit, an image of mastery over the material realm. As fire of earth, he embodies prosperity, stability, disciplined effort, and the ability to build structures that endure. Where the page begins and the knight labors, the king completes, representing the pinnacle of practical wisdom. The throne is the central symbol. Adorned with bulls' heads, emblems of Taurus, it represents strength, patience, and the capacity to accumulate and sustain resources over time. The vines and grapes curling across the throne signify continual growth, the flourishing of what has been cultivated through years of disciplined work. His throne is alive with abundance because he has built it with intention. The golden scepter in his right hand forms the second symbol. This vertical rod represents authority, will, and the power to shape the material world. The scepter shows that his influence is active. He directs resources with purpose, turning opportunity into structure. His leadership is grounded, steady, and rooted in experience. The pentacle resting on his knee is the third symbol. Held easily yet securely, it reflects his comfort within the world of material responsibility. Unlike the page who studies it or the knight who grips it with duty, the king holds the pentacle as second nature. It represents wealth, stability, and the ability to sustain others, not simply possession, but stewardship. His grape-covered robe provides the fourth symbol. Grapes signify harvest, pleasure, and reward after long labor. This robe reveals that the king not only works hard, but also embraces the joy and richness. This robe reveals that the king not only works hard, but also embraces the joy and richness that come from ethical abundance. He is not an ascetic. He understands that material well-being can nourish the spirit when earned wisely. The castle in the background is the fifth symbol, solid and enduring. It represents legacy, protection, and long-term planning. Castles are built over decades, not days. This structure reflects the king's vision and foresight. His prosperity is not fleeting. It provides shelter and security for others, symbolizing responsibility extended outward. Together, these symbols portray the King of Pentacles as the architect of stability. Grounded, generous, reliable, and strong, he represents success earned through discipline, patience, and integrity. In readings, he may appear as a mentor, provider, or leader, or as the querent stepping into mastery of work, finances, or long-term plans. His shadow can be rigidity or over-attachment to security, yet his core teaching remains. Abundance becomes meaningful when it is built with wisdom and used with generosity.